Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass civil engineering materials. To excel, begin by mastering the fundamental properties of common construction materials. Focus on understanding their behavior under different stresses and environmental conditions. We will cover essential concepts, testing procedures, and effective study strategies to help you confidently tackle your coursework and exams. This guide aims to provide a comprehensive approach to mastering this critical subject. Understanding core material properties is absolutely essential. For instance, concrete's compressive strength, often ranging from 3,000 to 5,000 pounds per square inch, dictates its load-bearing capacity. Steel's impressive tensile strength makes it ideal for reinforcing structures, while asphalt's aggregate interlocking and viscosity are key to durable pavements. Remember, wood's properties differ significantly along and across its grain, a concept known as anisotropy. Effective testing and quality control are paramount in civil engineering. Compression tests, for example, are vital for concrete, revealing its capacity to resist crushing forces. Tensile tests quantify a material's resistance to pulling apart, while impact tests measure its toughness against sudden blows. Furthermore, non-destructive testing techniques allow engineers to assess material integrity without causing any damage, ensuring long-term structural safety and performance. To truly master civil engineering materials, adopt effective study strategies. Regularly review your lecture notes and textbooks, focusing on understanding the underlying principles. Practice solving a variety of numerical problems, as this builds confidence in calculations and design applications. Visual aids, such as diagrams and flowcharts, can greatly enhance your comprehension. Finally, consider forming study groups to discuss challenging topics and gain diverse perspectives from your peers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.